English Listening Test for Kids. Starter Level, Test 20. 1. Bath. There is a bath. Bath. There is a bath. Two.
What do you want to eat?
I want an egg.
What do you want to eat?
I want an egg. Three. Towel. There is a towel. Towel. There is a towel. Four. Smelly. The sock is smelly. Smelly. The sock is smelly. Five. She is writing. She is writing. Six. Fast. The snail is fast. Fast. The snail is fast. Seven. Table. There is a table. Table. There is a table. Eight. The monster has one eye. The monster has one eye. Nine. Newspaper. It is a newspaper. Newspaper. It is a newspaper. 10. Mountain. There is a mountain. Mountain. There is a mountain.